strong wind gust also caused some damage in Boston, bringing down this tree on West Springfield Street right in between two cars. Jim Smith continues our Eye on the Storm coverage. He is live tonight in Boston. Jim?
Boy, I'll tell you, Ken, what a night it's been, and the damage seems like it's everywhere you look. We are here on West Springfield Street in the south end. Take a look at this gigantic maple tree. It came crashing down earlier today, and as it happens, Boston wasn't alone. Several other communities were dealing with sudden storms.
And then, I heard a crack and saw the branches sort of fall past the window and knew what it was.
A frightening scene in Malden, courtesy of an intense storm that blew through the area early Saturday night. A huge tree came crashing down, luckily landing in between two homes, avoiding any major structural damage. Austin Swank was upstairs when it happened.
There was a big gust of wind and I heard a very loud snap. And I had originally thought that the house had been hit by lightning. And so my first reaction was just get up, get downstairs.
Wasn't all good news. The neighbor's car is somewhere underneath the section of tree that fell down. But nobody got hurt here, and everyone agrees that's the main thing.
I think under the circumstances, well, not ideal circumstances, that, just happy no one got hurt. It looks like there's, while some damage, minimal damage to the neighbor's house, doesn't look like there's much with ours.
The storm also struck Boston. The fire department says an awning let go here at the Lenox Hotel. A man was hit in the head and transported to the hospital. And in the south end, it was another tree, a huge maple, uprooted by a gust and falling down, coming to rest on some vehicles. A wild Saturday night. It was a wild Saturday night and continues to be so. So we're back here on West Springfield again. This maple tree is still down. The street is still blocked. Hopefully they can get a crew in here and cut this thing up and clear this street. We'll stay on top of it. Live in Boston, Jim Smith, WBZ News.